Hello viewers, are you facing could not delete your username, try again error problem in WhatsApp? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is working properly, and then turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode and then long press on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp app info, click on I button or app info. Now go to storage option, clear cache your WhatsApp storage, go back, click on force stop, click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store or App Store, click on search app, search WhatsApp, update your WhatsApp in latest version if available any update version, and then go back to home screen. Now press and hold on power button and restart your device only for power off and on. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved successfully.